Hi, Alison Marsden here from Gardening by Design, encouraging you as we hit early spring, yes, I think it really is spring this time, to get up close and personal with some of the flowers in the garden. At this time of year, even the flowers that we're familiar with are like jewels, are almost welcome exotics after the winter. Plenty to look at, but not so many that we get overwhelmed by that experience in the summer. So take a moment to admire, yes, the mass planting, but get down and close and peer into one flower. Even those you're familiar with, you'll find something. Primroses have hairy stems. Hellebores need to be turned up or viewed from below to see the spotting and the stamens on the inside. They're almost shy when viewed en masse from above. And this is about all your senses. Well, not eating, but do flowers smell? I found this very early flowering cherry, no leaves out, covered in blossom, and a very, very delicate scent, but you have to get really, really close with your nose. And snowdrops, even the familiar snowdrops, there are so many different varieties, each of which has slightly different markings. Some even have yellow instead of the green. So, as well as getting into the great outdoors and looking at the expanse and the wonder of nature, do a little bit of wandering up close and personal with those flowers. It will do you the world of good. Happy gardening. Check out my website gardeningbydesign.co.uk for more about me, gardening and therapeutic horticulture.